everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk all about skincare. We're going to go to skincare school essentially, and I'm going to really focus on two different things. I want to focus on what to do in skin as we get older, as it gets a little bit more sensitive. What are the things that we can do to tweak it up, to keep it balanced and happy and healthy and strong? It's really cold in the UK, so looking at things that we can do, and these kind of cross over together, what we can do to keep our winter skin happy. And what really inspired this video is two things. I saw a video of myself. I did a 2021 summary video. Sorry that the camera's wobbling, the cat is underneath it. Stop moving, Maggie. You've got to see him, he looks so cute. I wish I could show you. Okay, what I'll do is I'll take a picture. You can see him. Maggie! See that there? Him being all cute. Yeah, that's what he's doing behind the camera. Oh dear. Anyway, so what really inspired this video is I did a reel summarising 2021, and I looked at my skin in that first shot and I was like, by golly, my skin looks like next level insane. Like, what the heck was I doing then? Like, what have I done? What's been different? And then that really got me thinking. I tried to look through posts and stuff and I was like, ah yes, I was using some beautiful creams that I'll show you shortly. Ceramides, fatty acids, that kind of thing. And that's what really made a huge difference to kind of the clarity in my skin, as well as a vitamin C. And I think just with last year, everything going on, I think I just let the actives and the fatty things go, and I just wasn't, I don't know, last year was just a lot, do you know what I mean? And I thought, no, let's get back to that really good place of skin. So that is mainly what inspired it. And then I was listening to a great podcast, Fat Mascara, and they had a dermatologist on, whose name is, so they had the dermatologist Dr. Dendi Engelman, and she had some insane facts about the skin, how the functionality of it work, and statistics on how things drop. I'll get to that when it's relevant. Anyway, this is like the longest intro I've ever done to a YouTube video, and I just will caveat with, I'm no skin expert, I'm a makeup artist, and what I know is kind of through research of what I've done throughout the years. Two people, if you really want to have a deep delve into skincare expert. So two skincare experts I'd really recommend getting and investing and reading in. So Caroline Hirons, Queen of Skincare, has a fab resource of a blog as well as a book. This is the 2nd edition and it's amazing, and it covers everything you need to know, as well as Dija, Ayodele's book on black skin. So a definitive guide specifically for black skin, and look who did the foreword, Caroline Hirons. I love seeing like women supporting women within the industry. It is brilliant. So this kind of goes through all the basics. Those would be, and Nadine Baggett would be kind of my go-to top recommendations. And I would just come onto the topic of also really think about who you follow. Like, I will always put my hands up and tell, you know, caveat things like, I know a lot about skin, for example, however, I'm not a skincare expert. So if it's out of my realm of information, and, you know, I'm constantly learning. That is the beauty of the beauty industry, to be honest. There's so much evolvement and changing. I would always direct you to an expert. So when going online, really think about like the people you follow, because there's so many people out there that are just like going, oh my gosh, this is amazing, and there might not be a whole lot of truth. Like, I really look for the science, the facts, the figures, the numbers to really know, and I would only, and have only worked with brands that I really truly am believe in, and I always try and come with the mindset of who is this good for, and that's kind of where I come from as a makeup artist, so expert pro, is that I always have who this is great for in mind. And I think that's just always really bear that. Keep that at the back of your head. Like, it's cool to like people for fun and stuff, but really think about where you're getting your information, because there's a lot of trash out there. Just saying. Anyway, so yeah, I'm Lisa, pro makeup artist of almost 17 years. Oh my gosh. I love all things beauty. I am a beauty addict. I've loved it since I was yay high. And on my channel you will expect to see lots of honest, fun tips and tricks. I just love all things beauty and making it ingestible and easy to understand. And if you've got any questions, please pop them below because I'll be always happy to answer them. Let's go back to the beginning and I'll show you how I got this gorgeous glowing skin. I'm gonna start off with my vitamin C. This is the absolute gold standard in the industry. SkinCeuticals and antioxidants, vitamin C are just, I first discovered this back in 2015 and you use about 4 or 5 drops of this all over the skin. So use this on cleansed skin. And this one in particular is the silymarin. So this is a high potency combination antioxidant with silymarin, 15% ascorbic acid, which is the vitamin C, and 0.5% ferulic acid. So ferulic acid is an acid that enhances everything. So you can see as this goes on, this one has been formulated for a combination or an oily skin, something that is more blemish prone. Because a lot of vitamin C's you see tend to be kind of in oils. This isn't an oil base. This is just more appropriate for my skin type. So it's always important when going in with skincare to use products that suit your skin, not just buy it because someone you follow loves it or whatnot. And vitamin C really boosts clarity within the skin. It makes the skin brighter and just the skin tone look. And what vitamin C does as an antioxidant on the skin is, if you think of an apple, you bite into an apple and you leave it, it'll start to brown. And that's kind of pollution in the air and whatnot getting in there and starting to do things like free radicals kind of like biting away at it. If you pop a layer of vitamin C on that apple, that won't happen. So that happens to our skin constantly, daily, on a daily basis. So using a vitamin C in your skincare routine will just like help it out, okay? But next I'm going with SkinCeuticals. This is the Triple Lipid Restore, the 242. So this is anti-aging lipid replenishment treatment, ceramides, cholesterol and fatty acids in it. Hello Magnus. Magnus has just jumped up on the desk. Lovely to see you, sir. But he's behind the camera. He'll probably knock it over in a minute. But alright, so this is the texture. So you can see it's a very rich cream, quite fatty. Even if you've got an oily skin, you're not going to find this too overwhelming. Not only is this brilliant for winter time where skin is kind of really going through it all, this is about the level of ceramides and fats in this and keeping that skin barrier strong. Why do you want to put this cream all over you, especially as we get older? Because we want to keep our skin strong and healthy, and it's about keeping that barrier, as I said, really, really strong. As we get older, if you think of our skin, we've got the skin cells, and then in between you've got mortar. Okay, so the mortar is made up of ceramides, it's made up of fatty acids and a whole mixture of things. But look at that, it doesn't leave your skin greasy, do you know what I mean? It just leaves it perfect and like ready for product, ready for whatever. So are you ready for some statistics? So these come from a dermatologist, and once you hit the age of 30, okay, your ceramides in your skin plummet by 46%. Okay, that's when we're 30. I'm 36 at this point in time. So I need to hang on to that because I know that scientifically that needs a bit more help, because naturally it depletes, and all those things, ingredients in this are found in the skin as well. That's what makes it brilliant. And when we hit 40, that number goes up to 64%. Yeah, I know. Let's take a moment to recollect. But it's okay, because as long as we know what we need to do, it's going to be okay about keeping the skin strong and healthy. So if you've noticed, maybe, you know, we're getting older, or the weather's getting a bit more rough, like here in the UK, it's getting like really... What you need to look at is introducing ceramides and fatty acids into your skincare regime, because if you're noticing your skin getting a little bit more irritated, a bit more red, a bit more peely, those junctions might have a few gaps in them and you might need to help it out, and this is where this is going to really help out. So think of it like when you spread butter or avocado on toast, it gives you that smooth surface on the top, and that's what this is going to do. And I'm not saying you have to buy these products. These products I'm, you know, very lucky to receive, test and try out. There are other more affordable options too, but you know, antioxidants, I always go for the king of antioxidants because why not? I started using the other version of this, as I said, in 2015, and it's been amazing. So yeah, let me know below if you would like a video on other products that are similar but for different price points, because these are bougie. I know that. Okay, then obviously we're going to go to SPF, because even though it's winter we still need SPF. We don't have a huge amount of sun in the UK, but actually it's been a really sunny day today. So today's SPF of choice is the Glossier Invisible Shield Daily Sunscreen. Love this. It does UVA and UVB, and it's like a clear lotion. It's a really lovely texture. And I've gone quite lightweight because obviously I've got the, I mean, look at my skin already. Just, it's got that beautiful reflection back. I'll just pop that on all over. And obviously you can take all these products right down to the tits, the TTT, down to the tits. TTT, I don't know if it's TTT, but anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. And then your makeup ready now, pretty much. But let's not forget our lips, okay? Because they do, I'm gonna put a bit of that SPF on there. What's that? Product blobbed in my hair. SPF on the lips, and then I'm gonna go in with this. This is the Paula's Choice Lip Booster. This is beautiful, a mixture of hyaluronic acids and peptides and squalene. So that's a whole mixture of ingredients. So hyaluronic acid is gonna keep the moisture levels high on the lip and really attract moisture to the lip, because lips don't have any oil glands or anything, so they can't lubricate themselves and keep themselves like juicy. It's got peptides, which basically plump and also enhance the effect of the hyaluronic acid. And it's got squalene, which is an occlusive on top of it, so it's going to keep everything protected and onto the lips. It's like a 3-in-1 product, and that's amazing. And that is it. That is, look at that, gorgeous. That's no makeup. That is just, as you saw, skincare. My skin looks and it feels softer and it looks really cute. So that's today's video, my friends. Let me know if you enjoyed. Let me know if you've got any questions below, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.